welcome back to Amore's makeup room, where we learn and grow together. Today I am back with another get ready with me video. We are doing us a cute little butterfly eyeshadow tutorial for Sephora, guys. I had to be at work today. I have a very long day at work today, guys. We got this big old sale going on, guys, and Lord have mercy, it's just gonna be a crazy day. But I love the look that I did today. I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm still making time in the morning before work to create content for you guys and tutorials, guys, so I'm super blessed to be able to do that. But yeah, guys, before we get into the video, if you are new here, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Check out my other videos, guys. I have a gratis haul that's posted. And y'all, I still gotta record the pros and cons of working at Sephora. I'm gonna get to that video this week, I promise. Like, that video is a coming. But yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe this video. Comment down below, guys, and that's it. We need to go ahead and get into this video, guys, because your girl gotta go. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, we are going into a new palette, which is the Culture palette from Juvia's Place, guys. I told y'all I was going to go ahead and just try a new palette, guys, because I know y'all was tired of seeing the same old. But since I love her line, I decided to just go and get another one of her palettes instead of going into my other palettes, guys. Yeah, and look at all these beautiful colors. Like, it's just so much fun when you use Juvia's Place, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to go right into this blue here, guys, and I am going to show you a mistake that I actually made, but it was okay with this look just because. But watch once I place this blue onto my eyelids and start to kind of blend and build that color up. It slowly but surely started to turn into like a greenish blue. That was not what I was going for this look. Like, it ended up working out just because, like, adding all the colors and just blending them in and just letting them do whatever they do was okay. But this is why priming is important. Priming your eyelids with the appropriate colors for whatever look that you're doing. The color primer that I have is a neutral color. This is perfect for like browns, everyday glam. But if you want to use a lot of light colors, you have to add a white base on top of your eyelids, okay? Like, you just have to. That's what's going to make those colors pop, okay? So it was really nice to kind of show you guys that I did make that mistake. I remember in a previous video I told you guys like the importance of like priming and what all the primers do for you. This is a prime example for you of what primers can do or cannot do. Like, literally, it took the color completely away. It is not the palette. It is what I did to myself. But we continue because it was cute. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I'm going into this purple, and we are going to go right over the end of that green, because it's not blue, guys. It's literally like green now. So yeah, so I went into the inner corners of my eyelids and then my outer corners, and I'm just like blending everything in. This butterfly look, I was just going for like multiple colors to just make like the look kind of pop a little bit. You know how like butterflies, like, they have so many different colors. Now, some butterflies I've actually seen with just like 1 or 2 shades, but I wanted to be one of those unique butterflies. Like, why not be unique? I feel like I'm very unique. So I'm just like blending everything in over top really good and just getting those colors packed on. I really love how that purple really started to show, especially considering that I didn't use that appropriate primer. So I was excited to see that, okay, at least the purple was popping, so I didn't have to actually start over. I literally could have wiped that green off and put the base on there that was necessary for that blue to pop. I honestly really didn't need it. The more that I let the colors kind of come together, the more I was just like, oh yeah, we're fine. Let's just keep going. I did go back into that blue and put it back over top just to kind of give it some more definition, and that actually really worked out. So yeah. So here's where you guys actually get to see me going back into that blue. I just went right back into that crease to try to make that color pop and kind of show up a little bit more. It did start to actually turn a little more bluish. Or what is that bluish? It's a color, guys. I can't think of the freaking color. It's not really green at this point. It's Y'all, let me know down in the comments below if you know what color I'm trying to say, because like it's a bluish green, but there's literally a name for it, and apparently I need to go back to grade school and learn these things. But it's a poppin', it's a poppin'. I was like, oh, okay, yeah, okay. Now you guys are going to see me using pink. I am going to go right at the tip, buff out my nose, blow out that area just to make it look a little more creative. Guys, I really love doing that around my nose. Like, I don't know why, but I just be feeling like it just really make the eyes pop, you know? I don't know. It's just so much fun. But I'm just going over that purple with that pink just to add another color layer. And I just feel like the pink just really just made the look come to life. I'm not even going to lie, because if the blue was bluing like I wanted to in my head, if I would have did it right from the start, it would have been such a bright eye. I definitely have to use these colors again with the appropriate base, because it really does make a big difference. But since, you know, I'm getting ready for work, I try not to really stress out when I make mistakes. I try to just keep moving and make the best of whatever situation I'm in. So you guys are seeing me add purple and pink mixed together, and I'm going right, no, I did purple and blue, guys, I'm sorry, right up under my under eye, just to go ahead and add that extra oomph to my eyes. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do that. You just gotta add the colors to your under eyes, because it's what's really gonna make the look come together, especially for a bold look like this. It's really not necessary on all looks, but if you feel like your look needs a little more personality, or you're doing a look that has a lot of personality, do that under eye. Now you guys see me going right back with that pink, and I mainly did that because the top layer has that pink, so I wanted those to kind of look like one. So I went ahead and went in with that pink as well, and we're just going ahead and getting the girls blended out really good. And we are almost done with this look, guys, and I'm just so excited. I just love how it came together. So I went in and added some blue metallic onto my eyelids, and then some purple metallic right into my tear duct area. Now I'm going in with a black eyeliner to just go ahead and do that waterline, just to make the eyes pop a little bit more, guys. So that is what I'm doing here. I did this to both eyes. And one trick that I've learned when you do your waterline, if for any reason your eyes start to water, you can literally go right into the right into your actual tear duct. And sounds crazy, but if you go ahead and go over your tear duct area, it literally keeps your eyes from watering. I do not know. Like, that's the tear duct area, is what I mean. I don't know why, but it really works. Look it up, guys. It is a true thing. So now you guys are about to see me use my NYX eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and start to create my cute little butterfly wing. So we're just going over, doing a light lining and just creating that shape, guys. But I feel like the rest of this is kind of self-explanatory, so I'm just going to play some music and let you guys watch what I did. Okay guys, so this is the final look, guys. It is just like super cute and so much fun for today, which is Halloween, guys. It is literally October the 31st. Like, I'm so glad I didn't do nothing scary, you know, something really cute, because I'm a girly girl, you know. We don't need all that blood and stuff all over us, not today anyway, not for work. So I'm super excited with the end results for this look. It's super cute, it's super fun, guys. And it did not take me that long. It took me about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to do this this eyeshadow look, guys, like, y'all. So I'm crunched for time. I literally had to leave out the house in like 5 minutes. I still got to put my shoes and stuff on, and, you know, put my deodorant on and spray so I can smell good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, guys. And yeah, I hope you are subscribed to the channel. Give this video a nice big thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.